Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's D here. Please, if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and put on your notification bell so you let you know when I post a new video. Let's get right into today's video. Using the one-step hair dryer and style, I'm going to right now and I'm going to take it down and let's going to use some products, and I'm going to walk you guys through the process step by step of how I blow dry it to give me an amazing blowout. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so I'm going to start with this section. Hair first. I'm going to spray with a spray bottle just with water inside, just slightly, not to wet it completely. And then we're going to put our leave-in conditioner just a little bit. So I'm using my Mixed Chicks conditioner leave-in, and I'm just going to put a tiny bit like that. Okay. Then I'm going to put a little bit of cream. I'm using my Camille Rose and just a little bit, so like that. Then so that it keeps the hair moisturized. Then I'm going to use the Cantu Butter Thermal Shield Heat Protectant. A little bit of this on the hair. I don't know why that keeps happening to me. I don't know what causes it. So next I'm going to use my Tangle Teaser to detangle my hair a bit, because I did that in the shower, but I'm just going to do it again just so that it doesn't get hooked up in the brush. So now I'll fully detangle the hair. I'm just going to spray a little bit more heat protectant. Yeah, so this is the one-step blow dryer and styler, the main star of the show today. So I'm going to, these are the settings on the blow dryer. It's on off, and then there's low and high. So I'm going to be using the low setting to blow dry my hair. So I'm going to start with the low. So yeah guys, this is my first section, and yeah, I'm still figuring out how to use the blow dryer, but wow, so far I'm so surprised. Like, I really didn't think it was going to work. I mean, I've watched like so many reviews on this, but like I'm so surprised. Like, this is my length, like for real guys. So yeah, I think I'm going to add like a little bit more product, so that like, I don't know, to come out a bit more smoother and less frizzy, I think. But yeah, so let me go through the rest of my sections and I'll come back to you guys in a bit. Okay, so I'm done with the first section, and this is my length check. But yeah, I'm going to do a better length check at the end of the video. So yeah, I'm going to use this to hold the end of the hair like this, just to keep it straight for now until I finish everything. So yeah, let's speed through the rest of this hair. actually in love with this blow dryer. It has been an amazing experience. Like, I can't believe like this is all my hair. I mean, I've never blow dried my hair before, and this is an amazing first experience. I literally can't stop touching it. Like, is this really my hair? Like, it reminds me of when I had relaxed hair. Oh my god, it's so exciting. Anyways though, along the way I actually like changed a few things about the settings. I used a lot more products. Like, I used like more leave-in conditioner, more cream, and a lot more heat protectant, so that my hair would actually come out more moisturized but still dry and straighten properly. So that's what's working for me so far. And for the dryer, I use mostly the cool setting and the low setting. I didn't even go to the high side because it was just too hot for me. So that's what I've been using so far, and I feel like that has worked way better. So when I'm even done, I usually go back in and spray a bit of heat protectant again and moisturize it and still blow dry it finally. So now I'm done with half of my hair, and I'm gonna be back with the second half of my hair. So I'll see you guys then. Section, yay! So yeah, I'm going to work on this section, and then we're going to have the full hair out. So yeah, let's just get into it right now. As usual, same process as before. Spray a little bit of water. So guys, my general experience with this dryer, to be honest, I feel like my hair is totally against this process, because I know that like when I first blow dry, it was somewhere like here, and now it's like already shrinking back up. I don't know why that is. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. I mean, if you guys have used this dryer before, please let me know in the comments. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. I don't know. So yeah, I'm just going to go in with my Mix Chicks leave-in conditioner. I increased the portions of my product because I realized that like when I did the first section, my hair was a bit dry. So increasing the product has helped my hair come out better. So I like the results of that one better. And then generally now I just use the cool setting and the low setting to blow dry my hair. So yeah, that's basically what I've been doing. But I just feel like my hair is totally not loving me right now. I don't know why that is. But guys, let me know in the comment section, please. And yeah, you guys let me know if you guys want me to do a video on my wash day routine, because you know I started out on freshly washed hair, so you guys want to know what my wash day routine is like. Let me know in the comments and we'll do that. So yeah guys, let's start out. Oh my god. Yeah, so guys, this is the final look. I'm finally done with my whole hair. Whew. So guys, my experience so far with this brush, the bristles are not too comfortable, but they're okay. And then sometimes it smokes a bit when I'm using the low setting, because I guess there's a bit more heat there than the cool setting. But generally I would say it was a good experience. I mean, my first time straightening my hair since I've been 3 years natural. I mean, it's alright. It wasn't painful or anything. It was just not as comfortable. But I mean, how can you be comfortable when you're putting heat on your hair? Yeah. So yeah, so far I lost this much hair. So yeah, it's not bad. I mean, considering the amount of hair I have, I mean, I feel that's fine. So yeah guys, let me know what you guys think. If you guys have any tips and tricks for me on how to use the brush, if I used it well, what I should do differently next time, if there will be a next time, because I don't know if I'm going to put heat on my hair again. I was just trying this out because I was like curious about it, but I'm excited to style this blow dried hair. So I have a couple of ideas. I mean, I want to like flat twist out. I'm just like bubbling with ideas. So I'm going to do that. But if you guys want a video on that, let me know in the comment section. Come out with a video on that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let's discuss about this in the comment section. What you guys experiences so far, if you've used this brush before. If you haven't, you should go try it out, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.